Now that our shipping containers are officially on their foundation, Cody and I decided to head up top and get a visual perspective of what our house is going to lay out and look like. While Cody started to cut out the walls, I started to grind down where the wall met the seam. If it could go wrong these past couple weeks, it definitely has. Between the generator, the plasma cutter, and the grinder, and of course the rain, it's been rough. However, we're continuing to push through.
We were laying in bed and found a free Cub Cadet riding mower on Facebook Marketplace, so we just decided to go see if it was worth picking it up, and come to find out it only had 13 hours on it. Thing's still pretty much brand new, so people just didn't want to mess with it. If you look at the inside of this oil filter, you can tell it's all jacked up on the inside. There's where the hole where the oil is supposed to go through is, so obviously it's just completely blocking oil flow. The oil light was on and it had a knocking noise, so I think this is what caused that to happen. Doubt we're going to be able to fix it, but we'll throw a new oil filter on there and change the oil and see what it does, I guess. Right now I'm just pouring all the oil out of the filter to see if it looks like it has any metal particles in it, which it doesn't look like it does.
So is that a good sign?
That is a good sign. And the mower only has 13 hours on it, so it's still basically a brand new engine, and this is a Kohler brand oil filter, so I don't think they've ever even changed the oil. And now it's blown. Oh, through a rod. Oh no, it just threw the connecting rod through the bottom of the block. And it's officially locked. Yeah, motor's done. So we're about to start cutting some more walls out.
Look at it and talk.
We're about to start cutting some more walls out.
I'm gonna grind while he cuts walls out.
Tell me about your progress, babe. There it is. That's the progress.
that the dilemma? He needs the cord to reach longer, so that's what he's working on. Update us.
Got all the walls cut out on this side. Gotta get them all cut out on that one.
Cool.
Well, I can't really run the plasma cutter when I'm also getting rained on in the face, and what I'm trying to cut is constantly getting wet while I'm cutting, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and call it for the night.
Yep. He still added the tarp to hopefully help some of the water flow, but we'll see. We did push everything along to the side, so.
Guys, I just got here off of work and Cody got all the panels cut out, so this is really exciting. This is some big progress.
Okay, it's pretty dark out, so I turned the light bar on the Jeep so I could basically show y'all what we're doing for the rest of the night and then probably close out this video. I did put a better tour on TikTok, so go check that out on TikTok, but I will give you a little tour on here as well. The tour is about this orange line. This will not be here, these will be put into walls, and then the wall will be about right here. This will be our living room and where our couch will go. And then along back here will be our island and then cabinets along this back wall. There will be lots of storage built into the island because, you know, it's a small house, so definitely building in lots of storage is important. There will be a closet right here that's built like a cabinet, and that'll hold like brooms and vacuums. And then we'll have our fireplace about right here. Walk in. This is the actual size of a washer and dryer. That's the actual size of a bathtub. And then the vanity and commode will be right here. Then you'll walk into our bedroom. This is the actual size of our bed, which is a queen size bed. And then there will be a closet along that back wall. That's where the bed meets. That's the end of our bedroom. So a pretty good amount of space in here. Storage built into our bed as well. So like I said, utilizing storage space is really important, especially since this is going to be a smaller home. Still have not decided whether or not we're going to add a second story and increase the property value by putting 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom, or if we want to just build on our other property and build another home completely. Haven't decided, but that's about what we're doing for now. Now that our containers are on their foundation and the walls are cut, things are going to start moving very quickly, which is super exciting. Hopefully that means I'll get a lot more videos out. I love making these videos. They're going to be so great to look back on. So I hope that gives y'all a little bit better perspective of what our house is going to kind of look like on the inside. A rough start. No, babe, that's not a good sound. Okay.
Guess I'm making a trip to the gas station. Well, that's all, folks.
All right, guys. Bye.